Okay, students. So I have the problems I worked out. So previously we understand the concept of the simplification. So let me go for some more simplification sums. So under that I already worked out. So let me go for those those problems. Here I have some divisibility rules, we already understand it. So and we have some simplifications. So let me understand the simplification problems. So here I already did these problems. Here 106 into 106 minus 94 into 94. So this is the problem that will be asked in the examination sometimes. So generally, so it is going to take some time to solve the problem. So whenever we are solving everything, it is going to take some time. For that particular purpose, generally if you observe this particular number 106 into 106 and 94 into 94, 94 into 94. So generally if you take A, this is A and this is B. So this is in the form of A square and this is in the form of B square. So A square minus B square. So what is the formula for that? So A minus B into A plus B. Okay. So this is the general formula. We have to remember that. If you remember this particular formula, you can easily solve this type of problems. Okay, so let me go for this. So if you apply, so 106 minus 94 is 12 into what? A plus B means 106 plus 94, 200. So then multiply it. Simply if you multiply it, 12 to 24 and do zeros. So this is the answer for this particular question. Okay, if you understand, very simply this type of problems was given. So similarly in the decimal fractional point also I want to rub this. So let me rub and explain to you the second type of simplification. Another simplification problem was there. So let me solve. I have another problem here, that is 68.237 into 68.237 minus 31.763 into 31.763. Okay, so this is also similarly like a previous problem. So if you simply see here, this is A, so this is in the form of A square minus B square. This is A square and this is B square, same number. So what is the formula? Same formula, A minus B into A plus B. So just subtract these two values. What is that? 68.237 minus 31.763. So 4, and this is 13 minus 6 is what is it? 4 plus 3 is 7, and next here is 1 is there, so we will get from here 11 minus 7 is 4. Next we have 7 here, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1 we have 6, and 6 minus 3 it's 36 point. This is value, subtraction value, A minus B, and addition. So let me go for addition. 68.237 plus 31.763. This is 10 and this is 10. This is 10. this is also 10, this is also 10, 100.000. So these are the values we get. So 100 point some zeros into what, 36.474. So please calculate, you can get the value. So directly the value is 3647.4. if you multiply, you get this particular value. Okay, so this is the decimal type of simplification. It is also very easy. So let me go for some more calculations. Okay, next we have, I will rub here, I will rub it. I will rub this particular sum. Next we will move to the next sum. See here. See here. So see here, I have this particular problem, 52 by x equals to root over 169 by 289. So whenever this type of sums will come, it is very easy, because these are, if you remember the squares, you can easily find 169 is, see here, I will write 52 by x. Square root of 169 is nothing but 13, and square root of 29 is nothing but 17. 17 square is 289, 13 square is 169. So just cross it, 13 ones, 13 fours. So 4 by x equals to 17. That means if x equals to 17 into 4. Okay, 28 no, 68. 68 is the answer for x. Okay, next we have next type of sum was there here. We have another simplification problem, that is square root of 176 plus square root of 2401. This is the program, sorry, this is the problem that was given. Here we have double square root of, what is the square root of this generally? So it is difficult to find it. You have to by heart all the squares from 1 to 50, then you will remember. This is the square root of 49. So please apply 49 here. This is the square root of 49. If you know, it is very easy. Now 176 plus 49. Now what is the value we get is 225. And so 225 is the square root of 15. So 15 is the answer. Okay, now next thing is next example I am going to give. Similarly, this type of problem that was given here, let me now, and I will explain you the another sum here, another sum that was given for the simplification. Another simplification problem is here I have like this, square root of 10 plus square root of 25 plus square root of 108, square root of 108 plus square root of 154 plus square root of 225, like this. Okay, this type of problem is similarly like a previous problem. So if you observe, what is the square root of 225? 15, no? So 15. So 15 plus 154, 15 plus 154 is 169. So 15, this is 15, no? 15 plus 154 is 169. So I will write 169 here. Now 169 is the square root of 13, we know that. So please write 13. 13 plus 108. 13 plus 108 is 121. 121, square root of 121 is 11. 13 plus 108 is 121, so it is 11. I will directly write here, it is 11 up to here. 15 plus 140, here I will write 15 plus 154, it is 169. So 169 means 13, square root of 13. So 108 plus 13 is 121. 121 means 11. So we got 11 is the answer. 11 plus 25. 11 plus 25 is 36. Square root of 36, because 11 plus 25, 36. So it becomes 6. Next, 6 plus 10 is 16. 6 plus this 10 is 16. So square root of 16 is 4. Finally, our value is 4. Our value is 4. This type of simplifications will be given. Similarly, lot more simplifications will be there. I will explain you some more things.